We try to say it's no longer an alley, it's moving too.
It's shifting off towards the east. I mean, even this year, this spring, we saw states like Illinois and Mississippi that kind of led the charge.
Yeah.
I mean, typically you would think Texas, Oklahoma, they're the ones that we're watching pretty closely when it comes to seeing and feeling all of those impacts with severe weather and even tornadoes. But let's break it down, because here's where we stand right now. So far, April 2026, that has become the 5th most active April on record with more than 280 plus tornadoes. But as we look at the overall tornado alley, as I mentioned, this is typically what we're watching. Well, now we're looking at areas like the Midwest, the Deep South, where we've been seeing these numbers really come through. Illinois already seeing 111 confirmed tornadoes so far this year, and the Mississippi's not too far behind. So what's really happening? We had this persistent pattern with the upper level jet stream that really consistently left areas like the Midwest in a vulnerable state. And we actually saw this play out last year as well. If we look back to 2025, in total, we had 122 confirmed tornadoes. That is wild in itself, but then you look at 2026, right now we're sitting at 111. So we're just shy about 11 tornadoes from surpassing last year in general. And on average, we only see about 54. So we have nearly doubled that. On top of that, we're talking about the strength of these tornadoes, which is also pretty interesting. When we look at how long these tornadoes have been on the ground, their strength, their impact, we can put all the miles together for the tornadoes so far this year, and the distance would be a flight from New York all the way out to LA. So these have been some long track tornadoes that have been moving through. Same could be said over Illinois. Now, what I will say is that, as Steve mentioned, this isn't a new trend. This is something that, you know, a lot of people have been already diving into, and we have been doing the same here at Fox Weather. Scientists kind of looking at the overall ingredients for severe weather and the same areas that have been seeing the setup. And it does look like in the near term that's been the case. But as we look a little bit further to like mid-May, peak of severe weather, we actually see it swing back towards a traditional tornado alley. So I think that's going to be interesting too, Steve, as we get into the end of the month, watching areas like Texas, Oklahoma that need to be mindful of this.